Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a natural glowy look just like this. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. We are trying to reach 500 subscribers in order to do a giveaway. So if you want to learn how to recreate this look, just keep on watching. To start off, I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows. Now I already filmed an eyebrow tutorial and it will be linked down below. So I'm not going to go into depth on how I do my eyebrows. To prime my face, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover and the Wet n Wild Dewy Luminous. Now for the Wet n Wild, I'm only going to be placing it where I place my highlighter just so it can stand out more. Now I'm going to be spraying my face with the Maro Badesco just to keep my foundation hydrated throughout the day. Now for foundation, I'm going to be picking up the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation in the shade MN3. Now I like to use this foundation whenever I'm going to be in the sun because it does have SPF 20 in it and it is not heavy. It is a lightweight foundation. And of course, to buff out this foundation, I'm going to be using my Morphe M439 brush. Next, I'm going to be highlighting under my eyes using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, as well as I'm going to be placing this on the bridge of my nose. Now grabbing the Wet n Wild Banana shade, I'm just going to be placing it where I placed my concealer. Now grabbing my Makeup Revolution Fierce as Fire palette, I'm going to be grabbing this shade with a Morphe M535, and I'm just going to be placing it on my crease. Next, grabbing this shade on a Morphe 441 brush, I'm just going to be buffing it in my crease as well. Now grabbing a packing brush, we're going to pick up the first shade that we used and place that on our eyelids and our lower lash line. Using the Wet n Wild bronzing shade, I'm going to be bronzing my face. Next, I like to spray my face with the Mara Badesco Rose Water just so my face will look cakey with all the powder that I used so far. Next, for blush, I'm going to be using the Milani Luminoso. Now for highlighter, I just recently got this. This is the Wet n Wild Loose Highlighting Powder in the shade Written in the Stars. Now the lashes I'm going to be using today are the Kiss lashes in the style Garters. Now I just recently found this ones and these are my favorite now. These are going to be my everyday lash pair. Now to set everything in place, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix, and it's an extra hold makeup spray. Now this is an amazing spray. I love this one, and it's not expensive at all. And this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Like always, like, comment, and subscribe, because we are trying to do a giveaway once we hit 500 subscribers. I do post videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so see you in the next one. Bye, guys.